Welcome back to Always Treats. Today I will be showing you how to make caramel popcorn. For this recipe we will only need 6 ingredients. We will need corn syrup, brown sugar, cream of tartar, popcorn kernels, butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's get started.
First, we will need to make our popcorn. I used about 2 cups of kernels for this recipe. Once the popcorn is finished, we are ready to make our sauce. In a saucepan, add in 2 sticks of butter. After that's melted, add in 2 cups of brown sugar with 1/2 cup of corn syrup. Stir that until it is fully combined. After that, stop stirring it and let it simmer for 4 minutes. Then, quickly take it off the heat and add in a pinch of cream of tartar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we are going to pour our caramel sauce over our popcorn. You will need to take 2 kitchen utensils and quickly stir the sauce and the popcorn together. After that, take a casserole dish and put your popcorn into it. We are going to bake this at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour in 4 intervals. Every 15 minutes you will need to take out the popcorn and mix it around. This will ensure that there is even baking. And that is how you make caramel popcorn. I hope that you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next week.